Hello everyone. It's good to see so many of you here. Starting your first full-time job is an important time in your lives, and it's vital to make sure you find a job that is suitable for you and that you enjoy. My talk tonight is going to be divided into two main parts. Firstly, looking for a job, and secondly, writing applications. Another important area is interviews, but they'll be discussed in a separate talk. There'll be time for questions afterwards, so if you could wait until then to ask anything, I'd be grateful. Right, looking for a job. I'm going to focus on 4 key ways to look for work. The first and probably the most traditional way is newspapers and magazines. These are still good places to find jobs, although the internet is probably a more popular method nowadays. National papers are still an excellent source and often run adverts for different types of jobs on different days. Find out which day covers information about the line of work you are interested in for each paper. If you're less flexible about where you want to be, local papers are good sources if you are looking for work in specific areas. Another useful place to look is magazines, in particular specialist industry magazines relating to different sectors such as education or business, for example. Of course, most newspapers and magazines will also have websites, so let's briefly turn to online sources. The majority of you will use this method, and one of the main advantages is that you can search for information very quickly and complete applications online. At the end of the talk, I'll give you a list of useful websites on a handout. The third place to look for work I want to mention is through a job centre or agency. These are located in most towns and cities, and this can be an efficient way to look for work as you're actually letting someone else do some of the job searching for you. Most agencies get a fee from your prospective employer, so this service is usually free. Finally, as many of you know, we organise regular careers fairs here when representatives from major companies provide information about job opportunities. This is a great chance to have direct contact with a range of employers. Check the university website for news of future events. So, you've found a job that you want to apply for. What next? The first step is usually to contact the company by phone or email and ask for an application form and a job description. Refer to the original job advert and make sure that you mention or include the job reference number. Next, read the job description. Do your skills, qualifications and experience make you a suitable candidate? When you complete the application form, whether on paper or online, do it carefully and make sure the information you give is specific to the job and not just general. It's really important to say how your skills and experience match the job requirements and what personal qualities you have that would benefit the employer. Remember, this may be your first contact with the employer and first impressions count. So, if the application form is untidy, incomplete, or contains loads of spelling mistakes, then it's likely to go straight in the bin. After you've completed the form, most applications will also ask you to include a covering letter. It is important to write a brief, formal letter or email about your interest in the job and your general suitability for this position. Don't go into too much detail at this point, as the vital information will be on the form. Finally, it's always a good idea to get someone you trust to check the form, maybe a close friend, a tutor, or one of your parents. They might spot something that you haven't noticed. If it's all okay, send off the application form so that it reaches the company before the deadline. The main thing to remember is that the perfect job for you is out there. If you don't get the first one, just keep trying. Does anyone have any questions?